Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration, so I hope you will like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon. When I post my new video you will get the notification first. And which room decor you like, don't forget to comment me down. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see this one is very beautiful room decoration. You can see the lights, the floor, the roof and all. Very beautiful decoration. You can see it is looking very good, also very VIP. And also you can see the mirror, the table and all. Very beautiful decoration you can see. And also you can see very beautiful the lights and all, the floor, the roof, the bed and all, and the chairs and all. Very beautiful decoration you can see. Very good. Also you can see the silver color wall, you can see the roof, you can see the floor, you can see the lights, you can see silver color. Very beautiful decoration you can see. Very good also. And also you can see the roof lights, the floor, the size lights. Very beautiful lights you can see, looking very good also. This also you can see the roof, the floor and everything is very beautiful. You can see very beautiful decoration you can see. Very good also. This also you can see the roof, the lights and all, VIP lights and all. You can see very good lights, looking very good also. And this also you can see the ring lights, very beautiful ring lights you can see. Very VIP theme you can see, the lights and all. And this also you can see the beautiful lights and all. You can see the lights, the curtain, the mirrors, the bed, the floor and all. Very beautiful decoration you can see. Very good also. You can see it is also very beautiful. This also you can see the VIP modern room decoration, the lights and all, the floor, the small bed and all. Very beautiful. This also very beautiful. You can see the floor, the bed, the roof, the walls and all. Very beautiful decoration you can see. This also you can see very beautiful the lights and all. Good decoration of lights you can see. VIP decoration looking very good. This also you can see the roof, the roof, the floor, the roof lights. You can see the beautiful decoration of lights there. You can see the side lights, also the lamps and all. This also you can see the walls. You can see beautiful walls. You can see very good. And the floor also very beautiful. You can see very beautiful decoration you can see that. And the floor also very beautiful. The bed and all very beautiful decoration. And this one you can see it is also very beautiful, the pink color bed and all, the floor, the walls and all very beautiful shining. And this one also you can see the silver color bed and all, the lamps and all. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon. When I post my new video you will get the notification first. And which room decor you like, don't forget to comment me down. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care and goodbye.